In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with GitHub. Whether you're a software developer juggling multiple projects or a team manager looking for a streamlined workflow, this integration could be a game changer, bringing together your productivity and development tools in perfect harmony. First, you'll want to ensure you have the necessary permissions. Log into your Clickup account with the authority that allows for app integrations. Navigating to the lower left corner, you'll notice a gear icon labeled as Settings. Click on it. From here, find the Integrations option on the sidebar. Click this to access the Integration Center. Here, you'll find a myriad of options, but today your focus is on GitHub. Look for the familiar icon and select it. With the GitHub selection, you'll be prompted to authorize your accounts. Click on Connect next to GitHub. If you're not already logged into GitHub, you'll be diverted to the login page. Enter your GitHub username and password, taking care to remember that this process grants Clickup permission to access your repositories. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, review the permissions list displayed. This is crucial as it outlines the data Clickup will have access to, such as repository information and commit messages. Click Authorize to continue, confirming that you agree to these permissions. Upon return to Clickup, you'll now see the options to customize the integration. It's time to configure your preferences. Determine how Clickup will interact with GitHub. For instance, decide if you'd like issues and pull requests to appear in your Clickup tasks automatically. This decision should align with your workflow processes and objectives. Take a moment to think about your collaboration needs. If your team frequently discusses GitHub issues within Clickup, consider opting for comprehensive syncing. With these choices made, it's time to specify which repositories this integration applies to. It's pivotal to select the repositories you'll be working with regularly to ensure seamless updates within Clickup. Essentially, what we're doing here is bridging a gap, making sure that development updates reflect in your task management dashboard. This will help your team avoid missing critical updates and foster a collaborative environment where everyone stays informed. Like a good tool, this integration works quietly in the background, but it's always a good idea to double-check your setup. Go back to your Clickup space and create a test scenario, perhaps open a dummy pull request on GitHub and watch how it materializes in Clickup. This final check can be invaluable, highlighting any areas that might need adjusting so everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. With Clickup and GitHub now integrated, enjoy a more unified workspace where development insights are just a click away. Thanks for watching. Stay productive.